Press it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 750 miles per hour. We have also passed max Q, which is the maximum dynamic pressure that we will experience. From here on out, it's less and less loads on the vehicle as we continue to ascend. Now we're going to come up on 4 events in rapid succession. We'll let those happen and then we'll briefly discuss what they were. But those are MECO, stage separation, second engine start, and then the boost method. As you just heard, we had that successful transition from the responsibilities of the first stage to the second stage. Main engine cutoff, stage separation, second stage engine start, and then the boost back burn to bring that first stage back to landing zone 1.
Passengers are now. The landing burn